everyone, good afternoon. Yes, today is sunny day. So for today's video, I will take video this name necklace. Tama ba ang English ko? I want to speak English again. Wow, so my God. But it's difficult, so maybe Japanese and English and Tagalog. I want also to speak Japanese Nihongo, but maybe some of you don't understand Nihongo. So, yan. Look at this. Hello everyone, good afternoon. Yes, today is sunny day. So for today's video, I will take video this name necklace. Tama ba ang English ko? I want to speak English again. Wow, so my God. But it's difficult, so maybe Japanese and English and Tagalog. I want also to speak Japanese Nihongo, but maybe some of you don't understand Nihongo. So, yan. Look at this. This is K18 Japan Gold name necklace. It's made here in Japan. Look at the design. My clients, my Suki is my regular clients order this to me, and later I will send it to her. The name is Mimi with heart. Mimi. Okay. The length is around 45 cm and it's adjustable. Oops. What's that? Yeah, you can adjust here. This one. Now gold is so expensive. This one. Now, as of today, what's that? June 16, 2024. The price of this one is around 55,000 yen. Yes. Even if it's not so big. Mahal, no? So expensive. But if you really like it, you will buy it. 2.3 grams only. But it's expensive. It's not my fault. Okay, hindi ko po yung kasalanan. It's because of the gold price hike. Very, ano ba to? Ang bilis tumaas ng gold. But, it's worth it kasi yung gold every year yan, every day tumataas siya eh, lately. Every day, price up. Never pang bumaba yung gold ng babalik sa dating price. I don't think so. Yeah, this is, the name of chain is Asuki. Yes. And the color of this is yellow gold or gold. If you see it in person, it's not so yellow. It's Japanese gold color. Yes. Oh my God. Nahirapan ako huminga. Because it's hot here. Very hot inside my room. I don't open the aircon. Sabay ganun eh. 2.3 grams siya. Ayan o. 40 to 45 cm. Because adjustable to. So, it's up to you if you want to adjust it to 40 cm or 45 cm. Ayan siya. Pero sobrang pricey na ngayon. Nagulat ako. Ang mahal. Before, bumili ako nito. Diba nag-order ako nito? My supplier told me it's around 40,000 yen. So, I order. Then, yesterday, he told me that the price is 55,000. Then, I said, what? It's so high. Kung taas ng price. So, I don't have choice. Buti na mabait yung buyer ko at pumayag siya sa price. Thank you po, madam. It's arigato gozaimasu. Is-ship ko po to later. She's here in Japan. Yeah, around Aichiken. So, may ganun. But hindi ko na sasabihin syempre yun namin because it's privacy. Yung name niya. Namay is name. Okay. It's cute and beautiful. If you like this or you like other jewelries, you can inquire me. You can contact me. Pwede po kayong kumontak sa akin. And you can find my Facebook page and my FB sa what's that? Dito sa description box. Sa link po. May link po dyan. You can check it out. Okay. Makikita nyo po dyan yung aking link. Punta na lang po kayo sa aking FB, Mary Ann K Vlogs or Japan Jewelry po. Thank you po for watching. Arigato.